Science is similar to time. It always goes forward and never back. Every new day brings a lot of unknown things and approaches us to the discovery of the mystery of the youth. We live in Протвино, a scientific town. Our Lyceum is a start for the preparation of the children for big science. Maths and physics are deeply studied here. That's why our museum was founded as the main element of education. Our museum is called Политехнический. There are lots of exhibits connected with techniques. Visually, we've divided our museum in zones.
The first zone, history. Here we can see the exhibits which tell us about the history of development of different directions in techniques. For example, looking at our exhibits, one can follow the history of taking up photos. How did our favorite cameras change from films to digitals? And the collected exposition of radio sets and tape recorders clearly show the progress of science and audio techniques. Here on the shelf there is an old man with first-person computer which has got the processor and the keyboard. And the first impartial teaches help a push-button analyzer which gave the marks for the students' answers.
The exhibits were connected as many little makes a nickel. There is an exhibit which was brought by the students from the journey around Pushkin's places. That is a big-bellied coal samovar and its brothers in different shapes, sizes and usages. Nowadays, in our kitchens, there are gas and electric cookers, and they used to cook food on the kerosene devices called kerosene stoves. On the top, we see the film strip which showed the main human discoveries. Having the result of human work in front of the eyes and drawing parallels with the development of the contemporary techniques, we ask the visitors, what for do we study physics as a science? And we get a friendly answer, to keep up with the development of the techniques and in order to create the techniques ourselves.
And now let's go to the next zone of our museum. It's our present, the laboratory of physics, where we can make simple experiments. There we have got an opportunity to touch everything and try physics on the tooth. When we pay attention to these items, it's a kaleidoscope made by our students of the fourth form, and here are the parts of the kaleidoscope. In our laboratory of physics, we can study diffraction of the rays or collect the new building of non-typical bricks. And here are our favorite toys. By their means, we can explain the laws of physics. On the printing machines, we can type a letter to each other, and on the abacus, we can do different operations as addition and subtraction. On the mirror device, we can study reflection laws. And now we'll demonstrate how we can collect the arch bridge by Leonardo da Vinci from Simplex students' rulers.
And now let's visit the third zone of our museum. That is the future. It consists of the following: that after graduating from the Lyceum, our students enter technical schools and then they will be able to return back to the town of Протвино and work on our scientific plans. On these stands there is some information about them. Every student can study this material, get to know the activities and production of the plants.
We cooperate with the heads of scientific plants, and we have got a model of the accelerator which is situated near our town hospital. It's a proton accelerator for curing of cancer patients.
Now everything is told about our remarkable museum. We study exact subjects with great interest. After the lessons in our laboratory of physics, we can surely say, using the words after Edward Teller, what is today's science, tomorrow is techniques. And add, a clever man goes to the museum for the ideas, but a creative person for inspiration.